What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video. We're in the backyard. We are with the quad. We got a name for it. It's Phoenix. So this is Phoenix, the Raptor 700. We gotta put some stuff on it so we can go do some stuff with it. Gotta be very generic. So let's cut to the freaking time lapse.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Yep, we're putting paddles on, so that means we're gonna go hit some dunes. I have a buddy that's gonna go to the dunes. Been begging to freaking go to the dunes, so I freaking texted him. I was like, hey, when's the next time you going to the dunes? And he's like, this weekend. So we're joining him and going to the dunes with the quad. So we'll see you at the dunes.
All right, some unfortunate news. Well, this is what my helmet cam looks like all weekend. So it's almost unusable footage, so I figured I'd show you a little bit of, look, you just get to see at the ground. It's kind of sucky, but we have more fun footage.
All right, so I want to back up a little bit and get to the little bit of story for this trip. So I got invited to go on this trip with a big old group, a bunch of friends. I go that night. Everyone wasn't able to show up till it was dark. I went out early because I had the day off. So I went out early, played out with RC cars on some of the sand dunes, and then helped a guy, broke his razor, helped tow him to his campsite. So we did that, and then my friends started showing up, so we started figuring out where everyone was, and went over to camp. So we went to the campsite, unloaded a bunch of stuff. We decided to go on a night ride. That was super, super fun. First time ever driving in the dunes with my four-wheeler, and for the most part, I haven't driven the four-wheeler a few times since then. It's been like 3-4 times. Went on our first night ride ever, first time in the dunes ever. Went on a night ride with 2 Can-Ams, a 4-seater and a 2-seater, X3 Mavericks. That was super freaking awesome, super, super fun. Went back to camp, chilled around at the campfire. It was probably 2-3 a.m. by now. Went to bed, woke up the next morning, and now we're gonna be riding. So we'll jump to that riding footage. It's all going to be footage from the 4-seater Can-Am with their selfie stick because, like I said, my helmet cam GoPro was aimed at the wrong area. So let's jump into that sick footage.
Fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Got up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place here. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, you'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
always right on his butt.
Alright, and this trail that we are on is just going from White Sands to Sand Mountain in the Little Sahara.
I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with
Hey, look at that! It's me coming up over the hill on top of Sand Mountain with my four-wheeler.
had to, so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Minutes later.
Hey, I think there's something rubbing back here.
Actually?
Yeah,
Something what?
rubbing.
Might be a tire.
Is it off the bead?
Oh, like, yeah, it's definitely dragging right there.
Yeah, it's probably off the bead or something. Is it? No? That's
No,
fine. This is fine too. Oh, wait a minute. It's missing line. See that? It's pointed inward. This is straight.
Yeah. Oh,
It's missing line. But
yeah, probably got knocked out of place, huh? Here, let me.
hold on.
Oh, that's
Yep.
okay. Well,
The bolt come out?
no, it snapped.
Yeah, it snapped. Hang on.
Yeah.
That's what it is. I mean, you can limp it back home.
2 hours later.
Alright, I had to tease you a little bit, but I do want to explain a little bit of what happened. So the bolt sheared off, completely broke. I'm assuming it got a little loose and then broke. But I have footage of actually exactly when it broke, as you've seen. So, and it was probably more about 15-ish minutes later, not 20. But SpongeBob's freaking funny. So unfortunately, that ends the side-by-siding. But anyways, they were on their way home because a couple of guys had to leave early from the trip. So let's jump over to us freaking having fun with the bikes, jumping them, and seeing how sick that footage is. Alright, I hope you enjoyed all of that dirt bike jumping content and me digging in my GoPro into the sand and seeing how it launched with them. Hopefully it was pretty good cinematic, B-roll, whatever you want to call it. I really enjoyed editing this video. It did take a very long time, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it and liked it. But either way, like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.